Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about the topic parts of speech. In last lecture, we have seen that main 8 types in parts of speech. Among them, first, that is noun, the definition of noun and their types, name of the types. Now here, let us see the detailed informations about the kinds of nouns. You know, there are five types in parts of speech. Noun. That is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. First, that is common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. एकाच गटातील वस्तूंना दिलेले सर्वसाधारण नाव अथवा समान गुणधर्म दाखवणाऱ्या घटकातील प्रत्येक पदार्थाला एकच नाव दिले जाते, त्याला सामान्य नाम म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बॉय, रिवर, बुक, मॅन, गर्ल, डॉग, सिटी, mountain, country, tree, bird, etc. Then second is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. विशिष्ट घटकापुरते मर्यादित असणाऱ्या नामाला विशेष नाम असं म्हणतात. मोनाली, निशा, हरी, हितेश, मंदार, मुंबई, Sonali, these are the proper nouns. It means these names are given to the particular persons, particular things. There are some tips, some main points about proper noun. That is, now proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Proper nouns are always sometimes used as common nouns. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare and Kalidas are the proper noun, but here it is used as the common noun. Third is collective noun. Collective noun, that is समूहवाचक नाम. A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken as one whole. For example, crowd, mob, team, flock, herd, army, fleet, family, nation, committee, class, bunch, etc. एकाच जातीच्या किंवा समान असणाऱ्या अनेक व्यक्ती किंवा वस्तू यांच्या समुदायांचा एकत्रित उल्लेख ज्या शब्दाने केला जातो त्या समुदायवाचक नाम किंवा समूहवाचक नाम असं म्हणतात. इट मीन्स इट शोज द मीनिंग ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ नंबर इज मटेरियल नाउन. व्हाट इज मटेरियल नाउन? इन मराठी इट्स नेम इज पदार्थवाचक नाम. The noun which shows something about the material, that is material noun. मोजला जाणाऱ्या घटकांच्या नावांना पदार्थवाचक नाम म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वूड, टी, गॅस, सॉईल, steel, water, milk, salt, iron, etc. Whatever may be things which we can measure, the name of that things included in material noun. And last name is abstract noun. Name of that noun in Marathi is bhavvachak naam. An abstract noun is usually the name of the quality, action or state. आपण डोळ्यांनी पाहू शकत नाही, परंतु केवळ मनाने कल्पना करू शकतो. अशा स्थितीच्या गुणांच्या, भावनेच्या, कल्पनेच्या किंवा क्रियेच्या तसेच विचार पद्धतीच्या नावास भाववाचक नाम असे म्हणतात. There is 3 point is important in abstract noun, that is quality, action or state. Beauty, for example, beauty, kindness, sleep, date, etc. Again, in abstract noun, it includes 3 types. That abstract noun is divided according to the quality, according to the action and according to the state. The words which express the quality, that is that included in the quality types of abstract noun. Some words shows the actions, so that they include in abstract noun about action, and some words shows the state of that particular thing, so that included in the state of the abstract noun. Let us see quality, goodness, kindness. These words shows the quality of particular thing. So these words included in the quality of the abstract noun. Laughter, theft, movement, these are the words which shows the action. So these included in the actions of the abstract noun. State, childhood, slavery, sleep, death, poverty, these words shows the state of these particular things. So these included in the state of the abstract noun. In this way we have seen the 5 types of nouns. Okay. Have a nice day.